Pretty light skin, pretty dark skin. I see African written in your DNA.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. How you doing? Today I'm going to be showing you how I get this nice fluffy look using one product, which is this Lot of Body Mousse. Okay, I wanted a nice airy, effortless, fluffy, kind of medium-sized twist look. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to be bringing you today. I already stretched my hair. This is a heatless blowout. If you want a detailed video on how I do that, I could definitely do that for you. So comment down below if you would like a detailed video on how I blow my hair out and get it stretched without using any heat. My hair is nice, clean, and moisturized. I did all that like 2 days ago. Check out my detailed detox hair and scalp video to see how I got my hair nice and clean and ready for this next style. I got all my tools right here. I got a wide tooth comb, some clips to keep my hair out the way, and I got a hair tie, a scrunchie, whatever you want to call it, and then a lot of body. Just section my hair off into a few sections to make this nice and easy for me to do, because I love an easy process. I ain't got all day. Oh God, I just don't. That's the spirit. This is the comb that I actually need to be able to, you know, I'm gonna just turn my butt back around. My baby don't mess around. It don't matter. The parts don't have to be neat simply because your hair is gonna be a twist. Ain't nobody gonna be seeing the back of your hair. Them parts just fine. Like, it ain't that deep. The section that I parted right here and split this down the middle, like so. Boom. And I'm gonna just put this in a twist. The section and part is up to you. You can do as little or as many sections as you please. That way I can just go ahead and twist my hair on up. Thumbnail. So hair is sectioned off. Boom shakalaka. Okay, and I'm gonna just start in the back, but you can start wherever you want. This twist is playing games with me. It's probably too much hair in this one. It's okay. I'm just go ahead and put these away. Focus on the back. And how do I keep these sections out of the way? Take that hair tie, that scrunchy dunchy, and you can put these bad boys up into a bunny bun, and you can start with your hair. So what I do is take my wide tooth comb, section this off into two subsections, and it does not have to be perfect. And then I'm gonna take that extra piece of hair that I'm not working with right now, put it away. We're gonna take one pump of mousse. Boom, because I ain't got that much. And I'm gonna just smooth it on out like so. And I'm just going to literally twist my hair up. And they may look a little small right now, but trust and believe, they're gonna form and they're gonna puff out a little bit. And that Lot of Body Mousse is like $4 at, I find it everywhere, honestly, at my local grocery store. So the local beauty supply might be a little more at the beauty supply. I find at the beauty supply be taxing a little bit. Boom, there is that one right there. Oh, look at how juicy. Come on. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, girl, you got to be so cute. Oh, do it again. Pump it up. Ooh. And I'm gonna focus more on the ends and work it up. That way, make sure the ends are being coated. Okay. See how shiny she is. Ooh. And if you got a little white residue, it's okay. That's gonna disappear. It's fine. No, this is not drying to my hair. I use Lot of Body all the time. It's like the one mousse I use on every single protective style I do because it smells so good. It works well and it doesn't dry my hair out. So that is the two. And I'll show you more when I get to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my speaker on because your girl like to vibe out to her music. Y'all know the vibes over here. And if you didn't know, my name is Sam Ivory and I love my music. I can give y'all a little glimpsey glimpse of what I'm listening to. Yeah, I know we doing a hair video. Y'all, vibe with me for a second. This is like me and this is what I enjoy.
Believe it, receive it, achieve it.
I wake up every day feeling good.
Black presence is necessary from Big Mama to Auntie Obama as first lady.
I like that. When I was young, I had 2 pair of leaves. Besides,
y'all, we on the last section. Hey, I'm about to finish this thing on up and I'll be back when I'm completely done, okay? Because y'all already get it. I'm sure you got the process already. So see you in a second. I'm so excited. This didn't take that long, but I just so excited. Ooh. Last one. Take that pump back towards the back of our head. And we just gonna sit that boy on down like so. Fly. Probably used a little too much mousse on this one. This one a lot smaller. Oh well. The ones at the top always become a little, just a tad bit smaller. But this ain't no mini twist. Or is it? At this point, I don't know. I try to go for a medium size. They look a little small. But it's okay. They some twists. It don't matter. It still didn't take me nowhere near as long as it usually take me to twist my hair up. And this is it. Y'all, we are done. Oh, these so cool. Okay, I look so cool. I look like I'm 13. It's okay. Alright, so now that I am all done, I'm gonna give y'all a little 360 on action. To the boom, 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 to the boom, boom, boom. Look close up. Okay, y'all see that shine? The hair is not dry. My hair doesn't feel dry. It feels super fluffy. Like, you talking about for thick. My hair has gotten so thick. Oh my gosh. Honest truth, y'all, I'm not the biggest baby hair person. Like, I'll try to do a little swoop here and there, but right now, I'm gonna leave these be. The point is the point, and this is the point. Okay, tomorrow morning I will go in with like some oil, just like every 2 to 3 days, just so I can make sure my scalp, some people don't like oil and all that. It's okay. For me, I just like to go in with this Jamaican black castor. I use it on my braids. I use the same methods, the same steps on all of my styles for the most part. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that mousse board and just make sure we are laying everything down nice and neat. This one right here is bothering me. Like, if it don't lay with this scarf, I'm gonna have to go ahead and retwist that one, but I'm trying to ignore it because it's not that deep. Then I'm gonna take my scarf, the satin scarf, slap that bad boy on, nothing fancy, knot it up, boom, and I'm gonna just chill with this and I'll be back to show y'all the little end result. But yeah, we pretty much done. Okay, oh, that's cute too. Pirates of the Caribbean hair. One more thing, I didn't use a lot. So this is how much I have left if you wanted to know if I use a lot of mousse. Just using 1 pump. If your hair is a lot longer or a lot thicker, maybe 2 pumps. Just go with the process and you will love it because you ain't gonna need that much. Oh, God, oh. Alrighty, y'all, so we about to end this thing. Let's see where we work our way up under this scarf, y'all. Okay. Oh, mad at that is alright. Give a little shake. And baby, we good to go. You can put it in any style you want. We're a little, ooh. I feel like I'm going with this today. Do a little half up, half down action. I said, ooh, period. That cute. Ooh, we could do that one today. Man, I don't know which one. This is super cute. I think I'm gonna have to do this one. So the versatility is there. Let me know if you want a detailed like hairstyle video because I could definitely create one of those. I love to switch up my hair like on a daily basis when it's in a style. We about to go into another session because I'm in that talking mood. If you like life content in general, my pasta done. I'm so excited. But if you just enjoy real life content, you want to see me do my hair, you want to sit down and vibe with me, if you want to just talk about life, we do that on this channel. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hopefully you enjoyed this video as much as I did because I had a great time filming it. And you could catch me in my next video. I love you so much. And if you don't see me in my next one, it's okay. It was nice crossing paths with you. Make sure that you remember these words from me to you. Remember that you are loved, and you are light. I love you so much. Can't wait to see you on my next one. Purse. I'm going to my bedroom, eat some pasta. We can talk over there.